everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this 3-balloon butterfly. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. For my balloon butterfly I'm using chrome gold and I'm going to inflate to a tail of about 4 fingers. Just let a little bit of air out to soften the balloon and tie. And then twist off a bubble that is about 45 inches and make another bubble to match. Okay. Bring the 2 bubbles together, take hold of that nozzle, twist it round and pass that knot and nozzle through the centre. Okay, that's just going to help ensure that that doesn't come undone. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze, just to soften it. Okay, and then we want to twist off a bubble that is a little bit smaller, so somewhere between 1 inch and ½ an inch smaller than your first set of bubbles. Fold that over and make another bubble to match. Okay, so bring these 2 bubbles together and just twist them round. Okay, and you can take that knot and nozzle and pass it through that set of bubbles too, and again just going to help secure those bubbles whilst you work. Give your balloon a squeeze. And we want to make another set of bubbles that again is just between 1 inch and ½ an inch smaller than the previous ones. Twist up another bubble so you've got 2 bubbles the same size and twist those together. Okay. And swap everything around a bit to just lock everything in position, and that's what you've got. And you're going to want to arrange them in order of size, and we can just snip off the end, let that down and tie a knot. Okay. We are having a heat wave here at the moment and it is just so hot and it's lovely, but we just aren't used to it. It comes so quickly and we don't get used to it, and then it will go just as quickly as it came. So we just don't get to acclimatise. Okay, so arrange your bubbles in order of size and hold on to them, and then take hold of this tail here, this little bit of scrap, and pull that through the centre of those bubbles. Okay, so just really pull it through so it's nestling in between the join there. So as tightly as you can. Go over the top here, right back down here, and then here just grab hold of that knot and nozzle and tie together. Okay. So there's your first wing, and you want to make another one of these. Take your 2 sets of wings and just tie them together. So that's what you've got. I'm using the black 260, and again just inflating. We're not going to use all of this, so just inflate part way, let out a little bit of air just to soften the balloon and tie. Okay, give your balloon a squeeze and twist off a bubble of a couple of fingers, and then twist another bubble to match. Okay, so that's what you've got. Bring those 2 bubbles together, grab hold of that knot and nozzle and just twist the 2 bubbles together. And then take hold of that knot and nozzle and just pass it through the centre of those 2 bubbles. And that's a really easy way to pinch twist. So if you're struggling with pinch twists and you're uneasy with them, that's a really easy way to do 2 pinch twists at the beginning of a balloon, a modelling balloon. So give your balloon a squeeze just to soften everything. Take those wings and just encircle those wings loosely with that 260. Okay, so your wings, the size of your wings will determine how large or how small your butterfly's body is going to be. I'm happy at that. And I'm just going to wrap that 260 around a little bit and then break or cut off the end and then tie that into a knot. Okay, and if you just want to secure that end, you can just wrap it through the centre of the 260s and around a little bit. So we just need to arrange our butterfly's body. Okay, so there you go. It's already looking like a butterfly, but it's missing its antennae. So let's do that now. So I bought a multi-pack of pipe cleaners. I got 50 from Wilko. So these are really readily available and they're fun. I've got some sparkly ones as well. But I think for this design, I'm going to try and find a black one. I can't actually tell whether that's black or not. But if I can't tell, it's close enough. This one will do. Okay, so just take your pipe cleaner and roughly find the centre. Okay, and then take hold of the end of the pipe cleaner. With your tweezers, just twist it round. Perhaps easier if you do this on the desk or on the table. Okay, and then we will try and do something on the other side to match. These are already curled around a little bit at the end, so just needing to hold the beginning just to start it off and guide it. So just twist around, sort of height, just adjust, and right here remember to pop that like button. I'd really appreciate it. So take your antennae and just pass them underneath one of those pinch twists and then bring them through the centre. Okay, and that's just going to secure those in position, and then you can just angle them however you want them to sit. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to pop the like button and I'll see you again very soon.